Hey guys, it's Heaven here. I know it's been a while since I filmed a look. I've been so exhausted, but I had a little time today. We're thinking blue, we're thinking spring, we're thinking cover these mom bags, and like look how tired I am. But spring break starts tomorrow and this mom is excited. In the meantime, please feel free to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me say that again. Subscribe, and then like and comment. So let me know what you think of this look. I'll put the details in the comment box below. Stay tuned. Okay guys, like I mentioned, we are doing a fun spring look today. And starting out, I primed my eyes. You always need a good base to make the colors show, to make them pop and have the pigment show true to color. Clearly, I was excited about those brows and that eyelid. This is a new Morphe palette I opened up today. I'll list it in the comment box below, but this is the colors we did for the color scheme. Going in with some browns to get started. I wanted it to be a springtime look, but also kind of neutral. You can wear bold colors and still make it a more natural look, like something you could totally wear every day. But then we bring in that dark blue to create a little smoky eye. You can never go wrong with a smoky eye. Like I swear by it. You can, everything smoky, smoke it out, smoke it out, smoke it out. And then the lighter blue coming in, it's got a little bit of a shimmer to it. Super pretty. This totally makes me think of spring. Easter's coming up. This is something you could totally wear on Easter Sunday, Mother's Day, whatever. You pick, you rock it. Got my lashes on. They are Romantically lashes from the Morphe Cosmetics line. Handy dandy beauty blender. Okay guys, I was super excited to try out this Born This Way foundation. As you'll witness in a second, this color was way too light. I mean, I do have a major tan from Florida, but I would probably go a couple shades darker. So what I did is added some of the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation, and that seemed to help a bit. And then for my contour, using the Bobbi Brown foundation stick. One of my favorites. I have a really big forehead, guys, so I always try to do a little bit of a thicker contour line up there to create that effect of a slim face. And now we're going to go ahead and blend out that contour. I believe this is an e.l.f. brush, if I'm not mistaken. I really like it though. It makes it super easy to blend out the contour. You can get all the angles right. It's really easy to hold and use. So I would totally recommend it. I feel like finding a perfect contour brush can be tricky. But then again, you can always use your beauty blender or a stipple brush or anything like that. So just blending in that contour. I love using creams for my contour, and then I'll usually go back in, which you'll see in a moment, with a powder to set it and just make it look more defined. Now this is from Tarte Cosmetics for my highlight. It's just a little concealer, kind of like a tribal warrior there. It looks really pretty actually. And then of course we blend. Get all up under that eye. Make sure everything looks good, nice and smooth. And no creasy lines, guys. Bam, there it is. It is time to bake. This is my favorite. Well, this and highlight, of course. But I love baking. I just love how it brings everything together. It takes all the shine out of the makeup. Unless, of course, you're going for a dewy look. But it just sets your makeup in place and makes sure your highlight isn't going anywhere and the areas of your face you want to bring light to are light. This is my Tarte Contour palette. It's a powder one, and again, like I said, going in and just chiseling out some of those contour lines. Bam, yes, bring that forehead together, make it to a forehead from a five head. I usually do two colors. There's two shades of brown there. I use both. I'm extra. Whatever's in the palette, I'm gonna use it. Love it. And then after the contour, we take an all over setting powder or foundation powder. This is from MAC Cosmetics. I'm just using it on my brush to sweep off the excess powder from baking. And then that also cohesively brings the look together. So there's no harsh lines and everything is just really blended out well. Come on, get off. That's probably what I was thinking right there. And a hair flick. Yes. All right. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Trio Berry Blush Kit. And I'll list the color below. Bam. Looks good, right? I love a little blush, especially for springtime looks. And then my favorite, you guys, I am obsessed with the Trophy Wife highlighter from Fenty Beauty Cosmetics. And you can see I nearly had a breakdown when I opened it and it was broken. It probably broke from traveling in my suitcase when we went to Florida. So had a woosah, I had to bring it together, bring it down, and go ahead and finish this look out for you guys. So can't go wrong with the highlight. I am all about the glow. It's so pretty. I usually go a little bit heavier, but since my eyes are heavy, I wanted to keep the highlight at a minimum, although it is totally still necessary. And you can see this is just, I don't even know the words. It makes my nose look like brings it in when I put that highlighter right down the middle. And of course on your top of your lips, your little cupid's bow. And then mascara, if it cooperates. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara, my absolute favorite mascara in the world. It's really bomb on your natural lashes too. It'll literally elongate them so long. Okay, next up we are doing the lips. As you guys know, a brown lip liner or outline of the lips with a nude lip is always appropriate, always bomb, always amazing, always looks good. So instead of using a pencil, I actually used my foundation stick to outline my lips. I wanted the brown to be really creamy and kind of natural, so I used the foundation stick, and then I had to find like perfect nude color, which was like a struggle, still unpacking my makeup, but I went ahead and used the melted matte lipstick. And then I'm going to add some gloss in a second, just so it doesn't look super sticky or super dry. But I love this color, super pretty. They apply really, really, really well. Bam. You know, you gotta pop your lips a couple times, make sure your lips are popping. And then a little gloss. This is one of the Lime Crime lip glosses. This color is Petal. It's phenomenal. It looks really good by itself, so it definitely looks good over a nude lip. And now we set the face with the setting mist. This is from Morphe Cosmetics, by the way. And this is the final look, guys. I love how it came together. Totally love it. If you like this look too, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Drop me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys love it, and until next time, stay blessed.